most of you know that anybody that has a VTX knows anybody that has a VTX. They don't really have a lot of options. So to make it more of a bagger style and make it more useful for longer rides, so you have to adapt and kind of make things work. So found a set of Harley saddlebags to purchase. Got a great deal on them. Bought a set of for this bike, I bought a set of the Harley bag mounts, but the holes didn't line up, so you have to fabricate a plate to mount the bar to. And then it's longer, so you have to shorten it and then create an attaching point to the rear pegs. On mine, I just custom fabricated the whole bar so I can still use the rear pegs, even though I'll most likely never have a passenger, but they are mimicked after the Harley style, but I bent them and built them myself, so fits the bike better. But you know, it's held in different ways and all that stuff. So you know, this works well. Looks good. I'm not going to put it all the way on. Just give you an idea of what she looks like when she's running down the road. I'm not going to put it all the way on only because I need to go and get the pins for the rear seat. I'm going to make a quick release because once the bags are on, you can't get at the bolts that hold the seat in place. So I'm going to pin the seat instead of bolting the seat. So it'll be a quick release system like I have on this bike. It'll be just snatch and pull. Much easier. When you're on the side of the road, you don't have to take your bags off. You don't have to empty your bags and all that stuff. So yes, everything's filthy. It's covered in dust and powder coat paint. Because I do all my own powder coating, so you can see the dust flying off from the powder coat. Needs a bath. It's been sitting in the shed for, well, the parts, the bags have been sitting in there for about 3 months now. So I've done a lot of powder coating since then. So a lot of powder coating. But once I go get those pins from the hardware store, I'll head over there shortly. Doing the seat, put the chrome covers on the engine, and she'll be ready to rock and roll. Need to buy a new fairing. I need to buy a fairing bag for it, and I need to buy the chrome for the front just to add more stabilization, sturdy up that fairing a little bit more. Because tell you, don't buy the cheap plastic fairings. Yes, they are cheap. Yes, they are readily accessible. USA Fairing makes a great fairing. The plastic edition, however, it's not that strong. So you have to find ways to stiffen it up. So inside there's a steel bar that runs across to stiffen it up. Otherwise she vibrates real bad. And you know, we all know plastic going down the road isn't going to hold up over time. So spend the extra money and get the fiberglass one. It's what I have on the blue bike. Much better, much stronger. So yeah, I mean, the plastic on this thing is not even 1/8 of an inch thick. So don't buy the plastic version. For any bike, spend the extra money and get the fiberglass. I may take it off before the trip since I've got time, and epoxy resin and fiberglass the inside of it to stiffen it up. Haven't decided yet, but it's a possibility. I know how to do that, so it definitely is a possibility. I've done it with the saddlebags on mine, so All right, guys. I'm going to get to the hardware store, get these parts, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good day.